Learn how to sous vide egg bites with bacon and cheese in this video. You'll be making Starbucks egg bites at home in no time. Hey, it's Jenna here from sipbitego, and this is a celebration because this is the first time I'm filming in my new kitchen. We just moved in, and if you've been keeping up with me on Instagram the past couple of months, I painted these cabinets along with my husband. We were like sanding them, painting them, put the knobs on, and now we put them up on the walls, so it's really exciting. But anyway, today I'm going to share with you how to make sous vide egg bites, and this is one of my favorite sous vide breakfast recipes. It's also something that is considered like a sous vide meal prep because you could make like 5, 10, 15 of these little sous vide egg bites in mason jars on a Sunday, and you can enjoy them for the rest of the week. Take them to work, pop them in the microwave like 15 to 30 seconds, and you have like a really filling and homemade lunch. Or I love them for breakfast. You know, for me, it's as simple as grabbing a carton of yogurt and having that. So I'm really excited to share with you, and I'm going to be answering a lot of questions about sous vide egg bites along the way. A lot of people have been asking me on Instagram, and some sent me emails because they said, ask me anything. And then I got these emails, a lot of them about sous vide egg bites, probably because you've seen me posting them on Instagram. So anyways, I'm excited to show you how to make sous vide egg bites, and I'm using a couple of my favorite fillings for this recipe. I'm using caramelized onions, which I just absolutely love. I always have some in my house. And I'm using... So I also use some cooked bacon that you could either do in a pan on the stove, in the oven, or you could make sous vide bacon, and there's a recipe for that at sipbitego.com. So to make these sous vide egg bites, the first thing you do is scramble eggs with milk. I like how light and fluffy that makes the eggs. You could also use something like cream. And then you put the ingredients like the cooked bacon and caramelized onions and cheese in the mason jars, and then fill with the scrambled or whisked egg mixture. You add that to the mason jars and cook them for about an hour at 172 degrees in the sous vide bath. This is a really easy recipe to make on a Sunday night. You could have sous vide egg bites for the rest of the week, and you just reheat them for about 15 to 30 seconds in the microwave. Some people also like bringing up a sous vide bath again, but I don't see why you wouldn't just put them in the microwave or reheat them. If you want to fry them on a pan with some cheese or something, that would be good too. So to get the sous vide egg bites out of the mason jars, you just use a knife. Actually, before the scrambled egg is put in, I sprayed some Pam. So I hope you're inspired to try making some of your own sous vide egg bites at home. They only take an hour in the sous vide bath, and you could make enough for the week on a Sunday and enjoy them as lunches or breakfasts or snacks anytime during the week. So these are really great. Sub in any ingredients that you want in place of the onion and bacon that I used, and make them your own. Well, don't forget to share them with me on Instagram at sipbitego. Just tag me if you make this recipe, and check out sipbitego.com for more delicious and easy restaurant-worthy food. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Cheers!